Welcome to this overview of the Project Management Toolkit. This short video will walk you through the main parts of the kit and provide guidance on how to use the kit to manage a small to medium local government project. The toolkit is divided into 4 phases based around 4 stages in the project management lifecycle: initiation, planning, delivery and monitoring, and project close. In the guide to the Project Management Toolkit, there is a brief explanation of why each phase is important, and at the end of the section is an action icon outlining what you should do at this stage of your project with a list of tools that will assist you. There are 5 folders of templates, one for each phase of the project and one of checklists. There is also an A3 wall poster summary. This toolkit has been developed to be used by non-professional project managers, but it does not preclude its use by skilled and highly experienced project managers. The resource has been developed for councils where project management skills and knowledge are lacking or resources are under pressure. The guide and the templates can be used to complement existing project management systems or provide consistent, quality-assured approaches where systems do not currently exist or are poor. You do not have to use all the templates in the kit to manage a project. Just select the ones you're most comfortable with and will be of most use to you. All the templates can be customised by adding additional fields, your council's name and logo, and document numbering. You can also take parts of the templates and add them to documents you already use. You may only want to use a specific set of templates, such as risk management, or just a scoping document and a project plan. The best place to start using the kit is with the A3 summary table, as it gives a brief description of each project phase and a list of templates that can be used in that phase. The checklists will guide you as to the main things you should be addressing in each project phase. Read the guide to inform yourself as to what you need to be mindful of in each stage of the project, and follow the action icons, as they will point you to the templates that can be used at each project phase. If your project is complex and high risk, the tools in the kit may not be advanced enough to manage a project of this nature, and a more sophisticated project management system may be required. But for most projects in council that involve minor infrastructure improvements, the toolkit provides a sound management framework. Such examples include parkland improvements, playground developments, road improvements, pavement constructions, bridge repair, and town centre beautification. The kit is not limited to infrastructure projects and can be used for social projects such as the development of a community learning hub. The Project Management Toolkit can provide valuable resources to manage contractors working on council projects to ensure they have clear documentation and projects can be quality assured. We hope the Project Management Toolkit assists you in managing your projects, and IPWEA would appreciate any feedback you can give us, so new resources can be added and existing ones updated. The Project Management Toolkit was developed by IPWEA in partnership with Regional New South Wales and Public Works Advisory to deliver quality project outcomes for the people living and working in New South Wales.